Samsung has recently launched its Galaxy S24 series. The Galaxy I, generating immense marketing buzz around the Galaxy S24 line, has proven highly effective. Following record-breaking pre-orders in South Korea and India, Samsung's latest flagship series is now poised to make its mark in Europe, particularly in the Netherlands, where pre-orders have surged by 50% compared to the same period for the S23 last year. Gerben van Walt-Major, Samsung Netherlands marketing manager, attributes the success of pre-orders to the innovative AI features. Galaxy I transforms our connection to the world. Our users' enthusiasm for these new capabilities is reflected in the early sales figures, which are breaking all previous records. Samsung unveiled the Galaxy I alongside the official launch of its Galaxy S24 series at the start of 2024. The term encompasses a suite of AI-enabled features, some new and some familiar, designed to enhance user experience. Among the standout features are Circle to Search, offering a seamless search experience, Live Translate for real-time translation during phone calls, Interpreter for breaking language barriers with split-screen transcription and translation, and Chat Assist, facilitating foreign language text translation. The success of Samsung's latest flagship series is evident. The Galaxy S24 series is achieving remarkable success in various markets. Recent reports indicate that the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra have set new records for pre-bookings in India. Additionally, sources from Korean media have reported nearly 1.2 million pre-orders in South Korea within the first week of launch. Comparatively, Samsung's Galaxy S23 series received around 1.09 million pre-orders in Korea during the first week post-announcement last year, making the Galaxy S24 lineup even more successful. Predictions for total sales by year's end are nearing 36 million units, potentially making the Galaxy S24 the first flagship since the Galaxy S10 in 2019 to surpass the 30 million sales mark. South Korea's major carriers report an increase in in-store visits to experience the Galaxy S24 series, particularly its artificial intelligence features. The Ultra model is generating the most interest, with over 60% of pre-orders being for Galaxy S24 Ultra, according to a carrier representative. However, the Galaxy S24 series might still fall short of the records set by the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, which garnered almost 1.4 million pre-orders in 2019, maintaining the highest pre-order record for any Galaxy device in Korea. Surpassing this record could be challenging for Samsung, especially the potential plans to charge for artificial intelligence feature usage in the future. In India, the Galaxy S24 series has outperformed previous records, with over 250,000 pre-bookings since January 18, making it the most successful Galaxy S series launch in the country. To compare, the Galaxy S23 models saw 250,000 pre-bookings in India over 3 weeks, whereas the Galaxy S24 series achieved this in just 3 days. Raju Pullen, Senior Vice President at Samsung India MX Business, commented on the success, stating, "The tremendous response to the Galaxy S24 series is a testament to Indian consumers' eagerness to embrace new technology." I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.